มาให้หมด
Welcome back, everyone. We have Unit 2, Lesson 2. Animals. Are you ready?
Z
Yeah. Letter E.
E sound A
E is for
egg
egg. Again.
egg
Egg. Louder. Egg.
egg
Faster. Egg. Very good. E is for elbow.
elbow
Again.
elbow
Elbow. Louder.
elbow
Elbow. Faster.
elbow
Elbow. Great. Let us continue. We have
bird
bird,
cat
cat,
duck
duck,
dog
dog. Oh wow, you remembered. Here we go.
a bird
Great job. Again.
a bird
A bird. Again.
a bird
Great. Louder.
a bird
A bird. Faster.
a bird
A bird. There you go. Next animal.
a cat
A cat. Again.
a cat
A cat. Louder.
a cat
A cat. Faster.
a cat
A cat. Good job, everyone. Next animal.
a duck
A duck. Again.
a duck
A duck. Louder.
a duck
A duck. Faster.
a duck
A duck. Great job, everyone. Last word.
a duck
A dog. Again.
a duck
A dog. Louder.
a duck
A dog. Faster.
a duck
A dog. Great job, everyone. See you later.
goodbye